Hi, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Clank. I thought we'd try something different today. I have my whiteboard up on my screen, and I thought we would try fixing some sentences. I put a sentence on my whiteboard, and it has 2 mistakes in it. So your job today is to figure out what the mistakes are in the sentence. So first you want to read through the sentence. Then you want to figure out what does a sentence need, and what is this sentence missing. So a sentence has to start with a capital letter. It has to have spaces between the words. It has to have an end mark. And anytime there's a word in there that is someone's name, that name also has to start with a capital letter. So let's take a look at the sentence I have on the whiteboard. Do you want to rid? Oh, wait, the magic E makes that I say the I sound. Do you want to ride my bike? Bic, magic E makes that I say I. Bike. Do you want to ride my bike? So there's my sentence. Now, what's wrong with it? Does it start with a capital letter? No. So Mrs. Clank is going to come over here, and I'm going to mark that because it needs to have a capital D at the beginning of the sentence. Do you want to ride my bike? Does it have spaces between the words? Yes, there's a space between do and you, and a space between you and want, spaces between my words. What about an end mark? Does it have an end mark? No. So what end mark does it need? Listen to my sentence again. Do you want to ride my bike? Do you? It's asking you a question. So of course, your end mark has to be over here, and it needs to be a question mark. Now I'm going to rewrite my sentence, and I'm going to fix the boo-boos. So when I rewrite it, I want to make sure that that letter D has a capital letter. Do, and a space, you, and a space, want, and a space, to ride my bike. Do you want to ride my bike? I fixed the mistakes in my sentence. Now we're going to try another one. And what you can do is you can pause the video and you can figure out what the mistakes are. And you can tell someone, or if you have a piece of paper, you can take that piece of paper and you can pause the video, figure out the mistakes, and write your sentence correctly on the paper, fixing those mistakes. So it's kind of checking you to see what you know, and then when you're finished writing your sentence, you can start the video again, and Mrs. Clank will show you what corrections need to be made. All right, so let me come up here, and we're going to get rid of this stuff, and we are going to start again. All right, here is my next sentence. Right, there it is. Now, if you want to pause the video, go ahead and do that. And if you want to write your sentence, you can do that too. Okay, I'll give you a minute and then we'll continue. I want to read through my sentence first. I said Deb has fiv. Oh, there's that magic E. It makes the I say I. I said Deb has 5 red kits. Magic E. Kites. That was a tricky one. I said Deb has 5 red kites. Now, what's wrong with my sentence? Does it start with a capital letter? Yes. Does it have spaces between the words? Yes. Does it have an end mark? Yes. Wait a minute. If it has all those things, then does it have boo-boos? Yes. Is that end mark correct? I said Deb has 5 red kites. It's not asking a question, is it? So the end mark is not correct. So I am going to draw a circle around this. It doesn't need to be a question mark. It should be a period at the end. Now, what else is wrong with my sentence? Has a capital letter. We fixed the end mark. The words all look like they're spelled correctly. Are any of the words someone's name? Yes. Deb needs to have a capital D. So now when I rewrite my sentence, I'm going to have to make sure that I rewrite it, fixing those mistakes. I said Deb has 5 red kites, period. If you made your sentence look like that, yay you, good job. Mrs. Clank is going to erase this, get all this stuff out of here, and we will try one more sentence together. Okay. I'm going to make this box bigger. Okay. Oh, Mrs. Clank made this one really tricky. I put 3 boo-boos in there. 3 of them. Let's see if we can find them. First boo-boo. First, let's read the sentence. A little all mall. That doesn't make sense. Oh, magic E makes the O say the O sound. Mole. A little mole is in the hole. H-O-L-E. Magic E makes that O say the O sound. A little mole is in the hole. Figure out what the boo-boos are. Pause the video if you want. Fix those boo-boos and write it on your paper or whiteboard if you have one. Okay, Mrs. Clank's going to give you a minute, and then we will go on and correct our mistakes. First of all, does our sentence start with a capital letter? No. That letter A needs to be uppercase. Oh, uppercase. Mrs. Clank's not so good at writing with her finger. A little mole is in the hole. Is in. Wait a minute. That's 2 words, not 1. So I'm going to draw a line down through there so I know that I need to put a space in there. A little mole is in the hole. So that's 2 boo-boos. Where's my third one? Did you find it? There needs to be a period at the end of that sentence. A little mole is in the hole. So now if I come back down here, I give myself a new box to write in. Plenty of space. I'm going to rewrite my sentence, fixing the mistakes. Capital letter at the beginning, spaces between my words. In the whole, period at the end. If that's how you made your sentence look, yay you. Good job. Now, you can get mommy or daddy to write some sentences on a piece of paper or a whiteboard for you, and you fix the mistakes. Or you write the sentences incorrectly and see if mommy or daddy can fix them. Okay? Happy writing. Stay well. Stay awesome. Bye-bye.